Okay, so this is kind of my system. 3 monitors, a laptop with connected to my TV up there. But down here, to the right over here is that little small thing is another tower, but it's a small tower for a gaming server. This is 12 speakers and 3 subwoofers with a gaming mouse and gaming keyboard. Now, I've prepared this little treat for you. Oh, and just be forewarned, if it's loud, it's perfect home theater system for about $200. Yeah, and that's just medium volume. Let's crank this up a little bit.